Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is about mass energy equivalence. In physics, mass energy equivalence is the relationship between mass and energy in a system's rest frame, where the two quantities differ only by a multiplicative constant and the units of measurement. The principle is described by the physicist Albert Einstein's formula E is equal mc2 in a reference frame where the system is moving. Its relativistic energy and relativistic mass instead of rest mass obey the same formula. The formula defines the energy E of a particle in its rest frame as the product of mass m with the speed of light square c2. Because the speed of light is a large number in everyday units, approximately, the formula implies that a small amount of rest mass measured when the system is at rest corresponds to an enormous amount of energy which is independent of the composition of the matter. Rest mass, also called invariant mass, is a fundamental physical property or that is independent of momentum even at extreme speed approaching the speed of light. Its value is the same in all inertial frame of reference. Massless particles such as photons have zero invariant mass, but massless free particles have both momentum and energy. The equivalence principle implies that when energy is lost in chemical reaction, nuclear reaction and other energy transformation, the system will also lose a corresponding amounts of mass. The energy and mass can be released to the environment as radiant energy, such as light or as thermal energy. The principle is fundamental to many fields of physics, including nuclear and particle physics. Mass energy equivalence arose from special relativity as a paradox described by the French polymath Henri Poincare 1854 to 1912. Einstein was the first to propose the equivalence of mass and energy as a general principle and a consequence of symmetries of space and time. The principle first appeared in the entry of a body depend upon its energy content. One of these Annus Mirabilis papers, published on 21 November 1905, the formula and its relationship the momentum as described by the energy. Momentum relation were later developed by other physicists.